Hello, my name is Abhijit Mohanty and I take care of process and quality functions in Brahman. Today in this video we will discuss about the processes that we follow when we work on any kind of big volume projects. So we have designed the internal process that we follow when we work on any such projects, and the process mainly focuses on 5 points, and they are solutioning, planning, implementing, testing and controlling. In the solution stage, we actually decide the workflow that is to be followed for that particular project, what type of tools to be used, what type of language to be used after looking into the project requirement and the content. Once the solutioning is done, then we go to the next step, that is planning. So in this stage we prepare a very detailed schedule sheet for the project where the deadline is set for each step of the project. That means everybody have clarity when the translation is to be completed, when the revision is to be completed, when the file will go to the QA stage. So all the people who are involved in this project, we share the schedule or the planning sheet with all of them so that they have clarity when what action needs to be taken at what time from their end. After the planning is done, then we go to the next step, that is implementation. So in this stage we ensure that whatever planning or solutions is done for the project, they are implemented properly. So in this stage we prepare a tracking sheet. So we track the projects on a daily basis and we ensure that the project is on track. If there is anything that needs to be taken care of, if we find any gaps in the implementation stage, we immediately flag those issues to the respective team member so that they can address it. So after the implementation, we do the testing to ensure that the good quality of files are delivered to the customer. Once the language they start working on the files, we perform a language quality assurance test on the file. We ask them to work on at least 500 to 1000 words so that we can perform the LQA test. So after the LQA test, if we find any linguist is not giving good quality as per the expectations of the customer, we remove them and replace them with other linguist. So after testing, we also perform another checks that is called controlling or the compliance checks. So after all the step, we have a quality team who perform the compliance check. They actually check if all this planning or the solutions or whatever solution that we have designed for the project is actually implemented in the project or not. If they find anything which is not going in the right direction, they immediately flag it to the team so that they can take real-time actions on the project. So by following this 5 steps, we ensure that we not only meet the client expectations in terms of delivery or the timeline, we also ensure that we provide good quality files to the customer. Thank you.